right, folks, settle down. Big one's been handed to us, so I want everyone's full attention. The feds have pulled support from their fleet in this region. They're claiming it's been a rogue element operating independently all along. I was skeptical about that at first, but now it's come to light that the guy in charge of their fleet here, one Admiral Golovich, is refusing to go along with the ceasefire. The intel boys are convinced that the Fed's story checks out, and that's good enough for me. Now the brass wants this joker dealt with as quick as we can muster, so we're moving in on him immediately. We're gonna be heading straight for Golovich's carrier, so expect heavy air and sea resistance. Brace yourselves for one hell of a fight, gentlemen. Let's move out and get this done. Dismissed.
Downtown, this is the big one. The feds have declared their commander out here, Admiral Golovich, is a rebel, and he's refusing to surrender. Intel has spotted what's left of his fleet heading for friendly oil assets out here, so we need to protect these oil rigs and get the remaining civilians moved to safety. If he refuses to surrender, we have the all clear to engage and destroy his fleet. Here's hoping it won't come to that, but be prepared. Downtown, you are cleared for launch. Need you at those oil rigs pronto. Fed's fleet is only a few miles out now.
Already airborne and waiting for you to get up here, DT.
DT? Are you giving each other nicknames now?
Angel, that you? They got you in on this too?
I asked to take part. Golovich's attacking of civilians is...
Quiet down and heads up. We got bogeys inbound on that oil rig. Downtown, do not let them destroy that rig. There's still a civilian crew on board. Get that oil tanker moving and out of here.
Roger that. This is IC Task Force Pilot 689er to Tanker 70. Get moving. This area is now a war zone. Whoa, scratch one.
Downtown, finish those fighters. That fleet will be here.
Got a second wave inbound. Heads up.
They're heading for that oil tanker. It's full of civilian personnel. You need to protect it.
He's tracking me.
Whoa, scratch one.
Lost. Hit.
Doing good, Downtown. I've got your back.
Lost. Kill confirmed.
Kirk, boom. Ain't it pretty?
Miss. Longitude. Miss. Target locked.
Yeah, great flying, DT. That's the last of them.
Making good time here, people.
Don't know if that's gonna help. Look at all this damage. Hang on, Rumbler. Got a visual here. I've spotted the enemy fleet ahead, just a few clicks out.
All pilots, stay away from that fleet. Their guns will chew you up. Downtown, get over to that next rig. Looks like it's in trouble. We'll need to evacuate any survivors. Incoming enemy!
New objective.
It's going up. Damn it. Explosions everywhere. If anyone on there was alive, they won't be now.
This Golovich is fixing to get himself taken down hard.
Better believe it.
Heads up, Downtown. You've got fighters inbound from the enemy fleet.
Incoming missile. Locked. Hit.
Whoa, scratch one!
Incoming missile. Locked. Incoming missile.
Incoming enemy!
Incoming missile. Locked. Incoming missile.
One less bad guy. There goes another.
Incoming missile. Break left. Incoming missile. Locked.
Another one smoked.
Locked.
He's tracking me.
Whoa, scratch one!
Missile kill.
One less bad guy.
Target locked. Target locked. Locked.
I am going down! Scope is clear, Rumbler. That's 2 full waves of fighters down.
Great flying, gents, but stay sharp. They're making a move. Looks like a few smaller ships have split off with a fighter escort. They're heading for another oil rig. That thing needs protecting, but you'll need to hit them without getting too close to the main fleet.
We're on it, Rumbler. Got your back, DT.
New objective. Target down.
We gotta move it. You're getting within fire range of the ring.
Missile kill.
Whoa, scratch one!
We're hit.
We got fighters up. They're heading for the ring as well.
Get over there and stop them before they can do any more damage.
Locked.
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! You hit them friendly.
Blockage. Locked. Hit. Miss. Locked. Hit. Target destroyed. Blockage. Target down.
Downtown, get things wrapped up. We're gonna need you for this one.
Gotta take these guys out, DT.
Blockage. Hit. Target locked.
Good going, DT. The ring's clear. Let's get back to support the Nemesis.
They've got more fighters up and they're inbound to the Nemesis. I want all fighters on the CAD launched immediately.
I'm on, Captain. Ready to launch also.
Then get out of there, Angel. Form up with downtown and watch his back.
Yes, sir.
Incoming airstrike.
Target locked.
Contact! We have enemy contact!
All good, downtown. I've got your back.
Locked. Impact. Locked. Impact.
Boom! Ain't it pretty?
Target locked.
Contact! We have enemy contact!
Miss. Blockage.
Incoming airstrike.
Target locked.
What the hell? I've lost tracking. We're being jammed.
Those ships will destroy our fighters with great ease. We will not be able to fight back.
The jamming's gotta be coming from an airborne source. We gotta find it downtown and stop it fast.
There it is. That must be it.
Stealth engaged. Warning, stealth target selected.
One's behind me!
They're filling my...
That is it! The jamming has been stopped!
Awesome work! Looks like our boys are on the ropes, though. Let's mix it up with these fighters, DT. One less bad guy.
Objective complete. New objective. Target locked.
I'm hit.
Longitude. Kill confirmed. Locked. Target down. Longitude. Missile kill. Target locked. Miss.
I'm locked.
Incoming!
Locked. Locked. Target down. Miss.
They're filling my...
All forces, listen up. We've caught up to the enemy fleet and they're coming about to form up and fight. Keep focused out there. This is gonna get interesting real fast.
Got incoming, evading.
I want all fighters on their air cover. We've got a chance to push them back here. Keep up the pressure.
I am going down! They're filling my vertical holes.
Miss. Longitude. Target down. Miss. Longitude. Miss. Hit. Miss.
One less to worry about.
Incoming missile. Break left. Incoming missile. Break left. Hit.
Great shoot!
Longitude.
One less to worry about. I'm locked.
Target. Objective complete.
Downtown, we've got two contacts moving out wide on either side of the fleet. They're trying to flank us. Need you to break off from that knife fight up there and take them out.
New objective.
All over me!
Target locked. Hit. Hit. Hit.
One ship down, Rumbler.
Nice work downtown. Now get that second one pronto. Incoming airstrike. Downtown is just an Alpha squadron with taking out that boat.
Low altitude. Hit. Target locked. Hit. Blockage. Impact. Blockage. Hit. Target down.
Great work up there. All bombers are down. All pilots, we are within firing range of the enemy fleet. Cruise missiles are away.
Locked.
Air superiority time, folks. We need those missiles to get through. I want to see a clear fire path out there.
Blockage. Miss. Hit. Target locked. Target down. Locked. Miss. Impact. Miss.
Flames everywhere! Got one! Missiles out!
Another enemy ship down. Keep that firing arc clear.
Third bid ship down! Third bid ship down!
Blockage. Blockage. Miss.
Get them on the ropes now. Let's set them up for the final hit. I want those enemy fighters down.
New objective.
Get back to mixing it up with those fighters.
Target locked.
Ejecting! Ejecting! We're hit!
Locked. Miss. Locked. Hit. Incoming missile. Locked. Hit. Miss.
Less to worry about.
Locked. Hit.
Gotta get rid of those fighters, DT.
Target locked. Impact. Miss.
Brilliant shot!
Blockage. Hit. Blockage.
I am being targeted.
Hit. Blockage. Miss. Objective complete.
That's about done it. Downtown. Ignore those outlying ships. We want that carrier taken out.
Let's do it, DT. Angel and I have your back.
I'm hit! I'm hit!
Taking fire! Taking fire!
Hit.
Yeah! Rumbler, that big sucker's going down.
Excellent work up there. Get the fleet moving in to mop up.
The enemy guns! They are stopping!
Get ready for more inbound bombers. Wait, we're getting a report from comms. They're surrendering. What's left of the enemy fleet is giving up.
Man, that's exactly what I wanted to hear.
Fantastic work, everyone. Downtown, that was brilliant flying. Downtown, Divot, Angel, bring them back to the Nemesis. This mission's a win.
Mission successful. Autopilot set.